Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Gemini, a popular cryptocurrency exchange. I've been getting a lot of questions about Gemini lately, and I wanted to take some time to answer them all in one place. So, is Gemini safe to buy crypto? Well, that's a question that I can't answer definitively. However, I can give you some information that will help you make your own decision. What is Gemini? Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2015 by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss. It is one of the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Gemini offers a variety of services, including buying and selling cryptocurrencies, storing cryptocurrencies in a secure wallet, and earning interest on your cryptocurrencies. Is Gemini safe? Gemini is a safe and secure exchange. It has a number of security measures in place to protect your assets, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage, encryption, regular security audits. Gemini has never been hacked, and it has a good track record of protecting its users' assets. What are the risks of buying crypto on Gemini? There are a few risks associated with buying crypto on any exchange, including Gemini. These risks include volatility. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, which means that their prices can fluctuate rapidly. This can lead to losses if you buy at a high price and sell at a low price. Security risks. There is always a risk of security breaches when using any online platform, including cryptocurrency exchanges. Regulatory risks. The cryptocurrency market is still relatively new and unregulated. This means that there is a risk that governments could impose regulations that could negatively impact the market. How to decide if Gemini is right for you? If you're considering buying crypto on Gemini, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Your risk tolerance. If you're not comfortable with risk, you may want to avoid investing in cryptocurrencies altogether. Your research. It's important to do your research before investing in any cryptocurrency. This includes understanding the risks involved and the potential rewards. Your financial goals. What are you hoping to achieve by investing in crypto? If you're looking for a quick and easy way to get rich, then crypto is probably not the right investment for you. Gemini is a safe and secure cryptocurrency exchange. However, it's important to be aware of the risks involved before investing in crypto. If you're comfortable with the risks and you've done your research, then Gemini could be a good option for you. I hope this video has helped you learn more about Gemini and whether or not it's safe to buy crypto. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're interested in learning more about crypto, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic. I also have a blog post on my website that covers some of the basics of crypto investing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Share this video. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.